Have you ever stepped into a place so fragrant that it felt like walking into a luxury hotel, only to return home to an unpleasant smell that lingers in every corner? The truth is, achieving that heavenly aroma in your own home doesn't require a hefty budget or endless hours of cleaning. In today's guide, discover the secrets experts use to make their spaces smell heavenly. Timeless strategies that can clear out stubborn odors and replace them with fresh, natural fragrances. Stay with us until the end, because one key habit could change everything about how you feel in your living space. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on helpful tips like these, and drop a comment if you've ever struggled with unwanted household smells. Imagine this. You walk into your home, and instead of being greeted by a familiar musty odor or stale air, you are enveloped by a calming, fresh scent that automatically lifts your spirits. That's the potential your living space holds if you adopt the right habits. Many dismiss the importance of aroma, believing that it's a luxury only available to those with too much time or money. However, enhancing the scent of your home is simpler than it appears and mostly revolves around a few small, thoughtful changes. For instance, consider introducing certain plants into your decor. Not only do plants purify the air, but many, such as lavender, rosemary, or jasmine, release lovely fragrances that can transform the ambience of your home naturally. Incorporating these green friends not only brightens up your living space visually, but also contributes to a more pleasant aromatic experience. Additionally, creating a designated scent corner with candles or diffusers can significantly elevate the atmosphere. This space can cultivate a signature scent that welcomes you home each day and sets the mood for relaxation. Remember that scent memory is powerful. Familiar fragrances can evoke feelings of comfort and safety. Whether it's a blend of citrus notes or a soothing vanilla, find what resonates with you personally. Ultimately, tying in your unique scent palette is an excellent way to enhance the overall experience of your home, making it a serene sanctuary you genuinely enjoy after a long day. One fundamental strategy towards achieving this uplifting atmosphere starts with regular ventilation. Many people keep their windows shut, letting stale odors take over their spaces without even realizing it. It's like living in a closed-off box. Opening windows for brief periods each day can draw fresh air into your home, sweeping away stagnant smells and renewing the energy within. This approach costs nothing and can bring an immediate uplift to the environment. In addition to opening windows, consider creating cross-ventilation by enhancing air circulation throughout your space. This involves opening multiple windows or doors across your home at the same time, allowing a refreshing breeze to flow through. Not only does this combat harmful allergens and dust, but it also has the added benefit of promoting a healthier living environment. Whenever possible, make this practice part of your daily routine, especially on pleasant days. If outdoor air quality allows, aim for about 10-15 minutes of airing out different rooms in your home. Also, remember to consider the weather. On slightly cooler days, this burst of fresh air can invigorate your living space without the discomfort of too hot or too cold temperatures inside. You'll find that the sounds of nature accompanying fresh air can also enhance relaxation. You'll be amazed at how even this simple act can transform your home, significantly affecting your mood and overall sense of well-being. Let's talk essentials. Textiles are often overlooked when considering home odors. Items such as curtains, carpets, and cushion covers can absorb various smells over time, essentially trapping them within your home's environment. This negative effect might not be apparent at first, but eventually it can result in an undesirable mix of odors. To combat this issue, maintain a consistent laundry schedule for these items. Simple spring cleaning tasks like vacuuming rugs or cleaning cushions can make a considerable difference. In addition to routine cleaning, consider investing in fabric fresheners, which are specifically designed to tackle embedded odors in textiles. Airing out these items outside on a sunny day can also work wonders, as sunlight has natural odor-fighting properties. To add an extra layer of freshness, use scented sachets filled with herbs or dried flowers placed underneath cushions or inside drawers. This allows for pockets of pleasant fragrances to emerge over time, subtly enhancing your space. Additionally, rotating your textiles regularly can mix up the scents and sensations in your home, making the experience feel fresh and invigorating again. By alternating materials like cotton and linen, you not only bring variety but also improve airflow. It's essential to remember that texture has its place in creating a warm, inviting environment, so pay attention to your fabrics too. By creating a cycle of cleanliness and scent variety, you can effectively maintain that warm, welcoming aroma at all times. Another simple yet effective element to establish a pleasant scent is the use of vinegar. This pantry staple has the astounding ability to eliminate unwanted odors profoundly, contrary to common air fresheners that tend to just mask scents. Strategically placing bowls of vinegary goodness around the house can help neutralize lingering socially undesirable odors. Moreover, a diluted vinegar solution spritzed onto fabrics or surfaces makes for an effective cleaning agent that abandons the surfeit of artificial fragrances. In addition to its odor-neutralizing properties, vinegar can also play a vital role in maintaining your appliances. For instance, running a vinegar cycle through your dishwasher and laundry machines can help clear out any built-up residues that might cause foul smells. Subsequently, your clean dishes and clothes won't carry any unwanted odors. Furthermore, if you're keen on adding a pleasant layer of fragrance, consider placing some fresh herbs like mint or rosemary in those appointed bowls of vinegar. The blend of these natural elements will work together, creating an inviting aroma without compromising effectiveness. Using vinegar in your home not only refreshes the air, but doubles as an eco-friendly alternative to traditional cleaners, free from harsh chemicals that can often cause adverse reactions and degrading scents. Embracing these natural methods not only transforms your space, but also ensures a healthier atmosphere, invigorating every corner of your home. Have you thought about the relationship between your cleaning routines and scent? Consider this. Integrating your favorite fragrances into your cleaning process can have profound effects. Swap out typical scents for natural, aromatic oils that linger in the air long after cleaning finishes. This not only ensures effective cleanliness, but leaves behind a memorable scent that invites comfort and positivity. Moreover, when you infuse your cleaning supplies with essential oils, you elevate your entire cleaning experience. For example, adding a few drops of lavender oil to your mop water can turn an ordinary chore into a soothing ritual that promotes relaxation. On the other hand, uplifting citrus oils like lemon or grapefruit can make scrubbing surfaces feel energizing, even inspiring you to clean more often. The practice of pairing smells with tasks aligns with self-care, reinforcing the idea that tidying up your space nurtures both your environment and your well-being. Consider also adding scented DIY solutions to your routine. A simple mixture of baking soda and your favorite essential oils can be an all-natural deodorizer. Keeping a jar of this blend in your living spaces can absorb bad odors naturally and without chemicals. Plus, you can easily customize the scents based on the season. Think peppermint in winter or refreshing eucalyptus in summer. This adds another layer to your scent experience, establishing an emotional connection between your home maintenance and your personal preferences. By aligning smells with cleaning practices, You enhance not only your home, but also your mindset. Nothing transforms your perception of chores quite like creating an aromatic atmosphere while you work. Each time you pick up a cleaning cloth, you're doing more than just removing dust. You're creating a sanctuary. Creating aromatic hiding spots around your home can also extend the aura of freshness seamlessly. Utilizing hidden sachets or absorbent materials to release your preferred fragrances silently throughout the day enhances your home's atmosphere without visible scent sources. These tactics create layers of pleasant scent, embraced by all who enter without them ever knowing the source. A great way to implement this strategy is by placing scented sachets in shoes, wardrobes, or under cushions. You can make your own sachets by filling small fabric pouches with dried lavender, chamomile, or rose petals, mixing in drops of essential oils for added potency. Moreover, consider using essential oil diffusers in low-traffic areas such as bathrooms, hallways, or entryways. These discreet devices allow for a constant, gentle release of fragrance without overwhelming the senses. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, soak cotton balls in your favorite essential oils and hide them behind appliances or furniture. For an environmentally conscious touch, try creating fragrant potpourri using dried flowers and herbs you might already have on hand. This not only recycles, but also adds a visual element to your spaces with a colorful display. By embracing these creative methods, you can curate a comforting ambience that naturally invites and relaxes, welcoming friends and family into an enchanting atmosphere each time they visit. And now, let's discuss also the power of fresh produce, citrus fruits to be specific. They encapsulate an invigorating essence which can leave your home feeling remarkably clean and fresh. Don't dismiss the peels as waste. Instead, use them to concoct delightful potpourri in boiling water, merging their agility with hints like cinnamon to gain the enchanting touch your environment desires. Additionally, you can create a refreshing citrus-infused air cleaner by simply simmering citrus peels alongside herbs like rosemary or mint on the stove. This delightful combination will not only elevate your home's aroma, but can also act as a natural air purifier, providing a subtle and continuous fragrance that envelops your space. Moreover, consider using slices of fresh citrus fruits, such as lemons or oranges, in your home decor. Placing them in clear vases filled with water not only looks aesthetically pleasing, but also releases a light, refreshing scent as they naturally break down. This can be an elegant centerpiece for your kitchen or dining area, offering a perpetual invitation for guests to experience your attentively curated ambience. As a bonus, when they have dried out, you can transform the leftovers into potpourri as well, utilizing every bit of nature's bounty. By tapping into the power of citrus, you elevate both the visual and olfactory presentations in your home, effortlessly creating a sensory experience that calms, uplifts, and refreshes all who enter. Undoubtedly, trash bins can deter the freshest scents in a home if neglected. Instead of treating them as a mere storage solution, consider strategizing your management. Regularly clean it and actively keep odor-neutralizing products on hand to reduce lingering smells that waft from poorly treated compartments. Small efforts can drastically change the breath of your home, making it more inviting. Additionally, you can enhance the effectiveness of your trash management system. Consider using bins with tight-fitting lids to contain odors more effectively. Furthermore, a soft layer of baking soda at the bottom of your bin can absorb odors before they escape. Take time to select reusable or biodegradable trash bags. Not only are they environment-friendly, but some even come with fragrance layers that can help neutralize odors while you dispose of waste. You may also find it beneficial to designate specific bins for organic waste, allowing for easier composting. Embracing such organizational tips can lead to a more refreshed kitchen while working towards sustainability. Remember, a little intention in managing trash can significantly transform your overall atmosphere. Ensure regular check-ins to help maintain a continuously inviting scent in your home. Moreover, consider adding subtle air fresheners near your trash bins, using natural materials like bamboo charcoal or essential oil sachets, as these options help absorb odors and keep the area smelling delightful, reinforcing a refreshing and clean ambience. Last but not least, crafting delightful scents overnight can allow their essence to permeate while you rest. Developing a nighttime routine of air cleansing, as simple as spritzing sheets or using an essential oil diffuser, can morph your surroundings subtly as you unwind from the day. You might consider using calming scents like lavender or chamomile, known for their relaxing properties, to foster a serene sleep environment. Placing a bowl of eucalyptus leaves by your bedside can additional simplicity as they usher in minty freshness, promoting clear air as you drift off. Creating an inviting fragrance when bedtime arrives can provide cozy comfort, transforming your routine into a cherished ritual. For a gentle touch, try placing a fragrant herbal sachet filled with dried lavender, rosemary, or even peppermint under your pillow. This way, the enduring scents will not only refresh your mind, but also cradle you with soothing comfort, aiming for a shop-like Zen realm that helps quiet evening thoughts. Don't overlook the role of a nightly candle to add ambience while emitting a graceful aroma. Choose natural, low-smoke options to create a tranquil atmosphere as they flicker gently in the dark, casting soft light while perfume your space. Ultimately, the beauty of these thoughtful choices lies in their compounding nature. Just as you sweep away the day's stresses, you allow layers upon mysteries of wonderful fragrances to captivate your home. Embrace a delightful odyssey every night to cultivate a serene environment where both your mind and senses can subliminally rejuvenate. Transforming your home into a scent utopia does not come from luck or premium air fresheners alone. Instead, it's often the result of consistent, small practices aimed at attention to detail. By integrating these dynamic habits into your daily life, every moment spent at home can host ethereal tranquility and boost your well-being. Which of these suggestions will you try first? Taking the time to address your environment not only alters its perceptions, but elevates your overall living experience. Consider introducing indoor plants as a natural way to enhance the aroma of your space. Certain plants, like jasmine, lavender, or even succulents, release delightful scents that can purify the air in addition to lifting your mood. Also, replace synthetic plug-ins with the calming essence of essential oil diffusers, allowing the soothing fragrances to waft purposefully through your every room. Another approach is to incorporate homemade potpourri with aromatic botanicals like dried herbs or spices, infusing your home with personalized scents. Regularly adding fresh ingredients can keep the wonders alive. Furthermore, sweeping away dust more frequently not only aids in cleanliness, but keeps the luscious, fragrant atmosphere free from lingering allergens, creating a wholesome ambience around you. A carefully curated environment will invite warmth and charm to your living space. Finally, don't underestimate the impact scents have on making you feel at home. So embrace these creative tactics. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found these tips helpful for transforming the scent of your home. Be sure to stay tuned for more information and techniques related to creating a fresh and inviting living space. Every beneficial change can start tonight, maybe with your favorite essential oils or fresh cleaning routine. So what will you embark on today?